Hey guys, it's Jordan from Jordanbikes. They've got for sale this stunning Yamaha MT-10. Cracking little bike is it, really clean, looks fantastic in the grey with the fluorescent wheels. So I'll give you some facts and figures. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate. It's only done 7,560 miles, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Really is, really been looked after, been polished more it's been ridden. It's a one owner bike as well, really has been cared for. With these you've got ABS, traction control, you've got all different sorts of power modes. This one's been fitted with a Scorpion exhaust with a D-cat. It's got some billet levers, it's got a tail tider, and it sounds awesome. Let's give it a fire up for you. Bloody hell, I might bite myself. Anyway, if you want it, all you need to do, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.